Mr. 300C, what's up, y'all? It's late. Sitting in the kitchen chilling. Got a selfie shirt. Holla. I went to the gym tonight at 10 o'clock. Worked out for about an hour or so. So your boy's tired. But anyway, in this video, I want to chat with y'all really quick. So, wifey was like, I got a solution to fix all your car problems. I'm like, huh? What? Okay. Okay.
I'm like, huh? What? Okay.
Right? She goes, after we get our house, for your next car, she's like, you're gonna lease and you're gonna pay $300 a month. What? I'm like, you can't tell me what to do. She's like, oh, it's already made. That's my decision. I'm thinking $300 a month on a lease. She's like, yeah, because I don't want you to touch anything. I don't want you to break anything, to modify anything, because you have issues with all your cars you have and you break everything you touch. I'm like, I am not that dude. So I'm thinking in the back of my head, okay, I'll let you think that. And so she doesn't know that the Scat Pack is a lot more than $300 a month, especially if you lease. I'm lucky I can get it for $5, but we'll see. Isn't that an interesting perception she has? Fixing my problems. Psh. Speaking of problems, the 300 is leaking coolant again. It's running through the coolant tank. I fill it up and like it lasts like a week and then it's all like drained out. So I think I'm going to go take it to the dealership again and have them check that. I didn't have them check that at first. They were checking all the other issues with it. So I'll probably do that on Martin Luther King Day. Since I'm not working that day, I have some time and get that handled. And yeah, man, just house shopping right now, looking for something that's gonna work for the family of 6. Woo! And yeah, and I guess I'm gonna be leasing my next car according to wifey, so we'll see. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about that plan and what she thinks, but I'm gonna just roll with it for now. But you know, your boy can make her change her mind anytime, real quick, ASAP. All right, yo, I'm out. Peace.